when you're hiking the PCT and you've come through the Sierras and there's been snow, and particularly if it's been a high snow year, don't talk to any of the day hikers or any of the section hikers or any of the PCT through hikers who've bounced ahead and are coming back down from Ashland about how much snow there is up ahead on the trail. Because they will tell you shit like this is lots of snow. This is not lots of snow. Lots of snow is a week of not seeing the ground. But these poor people who skipped ahead or who haven't hardened themselves in the crucible of the high Sierras are a little scared by this much snow, and they create a lot of fear and trail baloney. We don't need more trail baloney. There was enough of it on the Facebook groups this year. So, don't talk to them. Ever. So it's been a little slow going today because I'm still nursing my injured Achilles and patellar tendon. One hurts going uphill, one hurts going downhill. Can't win. But look at that view. It's worth a little pain and misery. Right? I think so. Well, we'll see. Hopefully it doesn't turn into chronic pain and misery. Oh, I've lost my mind. Well, it's 10 to noon, and I've hiked not nearly enough miles today, but this looks like a great spot for lunch. I found my chair. Ooh, look at that rock. Made for a butt. I'm gonna have myself some peanut M&Ms. Part of a well-balanced breakfast. See you in 20, maybe, or an hour. All right, good morning. It's July 3rd, I think. We'll just say it's July 23rd, who cares? Nobody will know the difference. All right, I've been doing a real crap job documenting the trip. I'm like a month and a half behind on Instagram at this point. Everyone still thinks I'm descending Mount Whitney. I've got a injured knee and injured Achilles on the same leg, which blows. And I thought they were getting real good, healing words. And last night I was just wandering around camp and it just took a funny step and it hurts again, so crapola. And oh yeah, I turned 39 the other day and I saw a mountain lion. That was my little birthday present to myself from God, who doesn't exist. I'm filtering water. Ooh, I'm ready. I'm running in circles because there are so many mosquitoes. If I stop for a minute, they all land on me. So now I gotta put the cap back on. Oh, gotta act fast. Where is the cap? Damn it. What the hell did I do with it? Oh, rookie move. I'm getting bit. You can tell the 100% beat that I used on my clothes is kind of working because I'm seeing some of these guys land and then take off, but they're already finding the spots underneath the shorts. I'm getting the tender vittles. Shaking out the water in my Sawyer because that'll save me 2 ounces. Okay, lock and load. Holy crap, there's so many around me. All right. Oh wow, I look like an idiot. To see the mess that is my tent. Usually I organize it first. Today I decided to do dinner before the mosquitoes came out so I could organize it before going to bed. Reshuffling of my tasks and chores to maximize the best. Oh boy, I'm overflowing the water. And we're back with a brand new water bottle. Listen to it flow. It's like a little stream of pee-pee. Oh my god, I gotta get a hiking buddy. I turn into a real nutter when I'm out here by myself. That mule deer just ain't cutting it for the conversations. Anyway, yeah.
On the next episode, there's some kind of weasel bounding ahead. See him? He's really cute.
Got a few problems brewing. I'm about to get a nice big hole in my shoe. And on the other foot...
Boy, that is Mama Bear with a cub. And I almost rolled right up on them.